In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find EV charging stations on Google Maps. Whether you're planning a road trip or just need a quick top up around town, this simple approach will help you locate reliable chargers fast and avoid range anxiety. Start by opening your web browser and going to google.com/maps. If you prefer using your phone, you can do the same in the Google Maps app. The layout looks a little different, but the process is essentially identical. Once the map loads, click into the search bar at the top of the screen. That's the field that usually says Search Google Maps. Now type EV charging station. You can keep it that simple, or add a neighborhood, city, or postal code to narrow things down, like EV charging station downtown, or EV charger near airport. Press enter to run the search. Google Maps will update to show pins on the map and a list of locations in the side panel. Each pin represents a charging spot or site. You'll typically see the name of the location, distance from you, and quick details. If the map looks crowded, zoom into the area you're actually heading to, or drag the map to update the results where you plan to stop. Click any location to open its details. Here, look for useful information like connector types, such as CCS, Type 2, or CHAdeMO, and power levels measured in kilowatts, which give you an idea of charging speed. Many listings include hours, pricing notes, photos, and reviews from other drivers. Some networks even share real-time availability, showing whether a charger is in use or open right now, which can save you a wasted trip. If you want to be more precise, you can refine your results by adding terms like fast, free, or a network name to your search text, for example, EV charging station fast. You can also zoom and pan to refresh what's nearby until you see a spot that fits your plans. When you find a station that looks good, reviewing recent comments can be helpful for spotting any temporary issues like block stalls or maintenance. If you rely on a particular connector or need high power for a quick stop, double check those specs in the details. And if you're traveling through areas with spotty service, consider downloading the map area in advance so you can still navigate to your chosen charger. That's it. Open Google Maps, click the search bar, type EV charging station, press enter, and then pick the location that best matches your needs. With these tips, you'll be charging with confidence wherever the road takes you.